Just like your brand name and logo, your tagline, should you decide to make one, as this is optional, will aim to communicate your brand's promises and values. Examples of known taglines are "Think different" from Apple and Nike's "Just do it." Both taglines exemplify perfectly what the brand stands for in 3 words or less. For Apple, its tagline shows that its core value lies in innovation and differentiation from its competitors, a promise which is then reflected through its unique products. In Nike's case, the tagline suggests effort and achievement, which lines up perfectly with its core brand identity, which is centered around stirring the desire to achieve athletic success, while also gently suggesting that this is possible to achieve using their product. A tagline should be short and concise. As we saw in the previous 2 examples, it can consist of as little as 2 words. A great tagline also doesn't just communicate a single message. It is still open enough to interpretation to allow for multiple ideas to strike the reader. For instance, "Just do it" can be interpreted as achieve your goals, as well as just buy our products. It is a literal call to action, a suppressor of hesitation. Let's check the football shoes section. I'm thinking of trying this sport, but I'm not sure. Just do it. Alright, well, the shoes are good, but expensive. Just do it. You get the idea. Walk into a Nike store and all of these taglines spread around the store subconsciously prime you for increased purchase behavior. Taglines are as useful on Amazon as any other platform, as there are plenty of spots to fit them. From your listing pictures, to your EBC, to your brand store, to your sponsored brand ads.